8 amazing vitamins to repair nerve damage in 2023. Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of nerve repair and the incredible vitamins that can make a world of difference. But first, here's a fascinating fact. Did you know that our nervous system can transmit signals at speeds of up to 268 miles per hour? Impressive, right? Before we begin, I want to remind you that this video is for educational purposes only and should not substitute professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare provider for personalized guidance. Now, let's explore these fantastic vitamins. We're going to count down from number 8 to number 1, starting with 8, Vitamin B12. Number 8 on our list is vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin. Studies, like those on PubMed, have shown that B12 is vital for nerve health. So, what food should you turn to? Think of seafood, eggs, and dairy products. 7, Vitamin B6. Coming in at number 7 is vitamin B6. Research has linked it to nerve function improvement. Want to increase your intake? Consider foods like bananas, chickpeas, and potatoes. 6, Vitamin E.
At number 6, we have vitamin E, a potent antioxidant.
Studies have suggested its role in nerve cell protection. Almonds, sunflower seeds, and spinach are great sources. 5, Vitamin D. Now, let's talk about vitamin D at number 5. It's not just for bones, it may also support nerve health. How can you get more of it? Look to fatty fish, fortified dairy, and, of course, sunshine. 4, Vitamin C. Number 4 is vitamin C, known for its immune-boosting properties. But it can also help with nerve repair. Oranges, strawberries, and bell peppers are excellent sources. 3, Vitamin A. Coming in at number 3 is vitamin A. It's essential for nerve cell growth. Get your dose from sweet potatoes, carrots, and leafy greens. 2, Vitamin K. Number 2 on our list is vitamin K. It's been linked to nerve protection and repair. To increase your intake, opt for foods like kale, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. 1, Vitamin B1, thiamine. And finally, at number 1, we have vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. It's a powerhouse for nerve function. Foods like whole grains, beans, and fish are packed with it. So, there you have it, our countdown of the 8 incredible vitamins that can help repair nerve damage. Remember, a balanced diet rich in these vitamins is key to promoting nerve health. And, as always, consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips, recipes, and lifestyle advice. Take a step towards a healthier you. Stay tuned and stay healthy. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep nourishing your body and nurturing your nerves. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.